Hello everyone, my name is Manadia Saputri with NPM 23411182, Class Management 23D. Here I will explain the material about tourists in perspective and historical development of travel and tourism. Introduction. Tourism is an important sector in economy, social, and cultural development in many countries, including Indonesia. Tourism involves the movement of people from one place to another for recreation, business, education, and regulation purposes. However, before becoming the legal industry it is today, tourism has undergone a long historical journey. Travel and tourism have evolved from a mere necessity for survival to a global lifestyle. Definition of tourism. In general, tourism is a journey undertaken by an individual or group of individuals from their place of research to a destination for a temporary period of time, not for the purpose of seeking livelihood in the place visited. Tourist perspective. Tourists can be viewed from various perspectives. Number 1, economy perspective. Tourism is a source of regular income for the country, creates jobs and encourages infrastructure development and investment. Number 2, social cultural perspective. Tourists can introduce and preserve local culture, but it can also have negative impacts such as the commercialization of culture and challenge in social values. Number 3, environmental perspective. Nature-based tourism or ecotourism can support environmental conservation. However, if not managed properly, it can cause environmental degradation such as pollution, habitat destruction, and exploitation of natural resources. Number 4, political perspective and globalization. Tourism play a role in employment between countries and strikes international relationships in the era of globalization. Tourism has become a bridge between nations in the channels of culture and values. History and development of tourism. Tourism did not ever suddenly, but rather through a long process closely related to the development of human civilization. Number 1, prehistoric period. During this period, travel was undertaken for survival, such as searching for food, shelter, and hunting. The concept of tourism as a canoe it today did not yet exist. Number 2, antique themes. Antique expedition society traveled to visit pyramids and temples both for recreation purposes and to admire the architecture. Greece and Rome. Greece and Rome traveled to attend the Olympics festival or fashion as social village. Roman Aristotle also travel outside the city for action. Number 3, Mildred Agnes Dirk Agnes. Travel was very limited due to unstable political and security conditions. Travel was generally undertaken for the purpose of pilgrimage to holy cities, regulation, tourism, trade and expedition by mares, explorers and missionaries also became early form of international travel. Number 4, Renaissance period. Growing interest in science, art, and culture leads to the emergence of the Grand Tour. Among our reference Aristotle, especially in Athens, the Grand Tour was a long journey through Europe for educational and cultural purposes, usually undertaken by young aristocratic Kildare. Number 5, Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution has a major impact on the development of tourism. The emergence of modern transportation such as trains and steamboats facilitated people mobility. The mills began to have more free time and income to travel. It was also during this era that commercial travel agencies such as Thomas Cook, the pioneer of modern travel agencies, began to emerge. Factor that influences tourism development. Transportation advances is transportation modes improve accessibility to various destinations. Economy grow increase people purchasing power of travel. Political and security. Political stability and security greatly influences tourist interest. Technology digitalization and technology information performs effectively and conveniences in travel. Cultural and security. Interest in cultural diversity derives cultural and culinary custom. Government policy. Regulatory support and promotion from the government, especially the growth of the tourism industry. Impact of tourism. Number 1, positive impact. Increase local community income. Creates job opportunities, promotion cultural and environmental preservation, foster mutual understanding between nations. Number 2, negative impact. Over tourism and environmental damage, commemoration of culture, social inequality, economy dependent on the tourism sector. Consolation. Tourism is not just a recreation activity but a complex social, cultural, economic, and environmental phenomenon. Throughout history, tourism has evolved from travel out of necessity to a highly strategic global industry. Understanding the history and perspective of tourism is important so that we can manage and develop this sector wisely, sustainable, and responsible. Thank you.